Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of media, journalism, and the ever-evolving landscape of news reporting. In today's video, we are setting our sights on a media giant that has seen its fair share of ups and downs. CNN. Once heralded as a pioneer of 24-hour news coverage and an influencer of public opinion, CNN now finds itself in the midst of controversy and declining credibility. Join us as we explore the factors that have contributed to the downfall of CNN, analyzing its shift in editorial focus, accusations of bias, and the impact of the digital age. So, without further ado, let's uncover the journey that has led to the current state of CNN. CNN's rise to prominence. In the early days of cable television, CNN burst onto the scene as a trailblazer, introducing the concept of 24-hour news coverage. Founded by Ted Turner in 1980, the network quickly became a go-to source for breaking news and live coverage of significant events, such as the Gulf War and the 9/11 attacks. CNN's dedication to delivering real-time information set it apart from traditional news outlets and earned it a reputation as a reliable and trusted source of news. Its groundbreaking approach to journalism paved the way for the modern era of news consumption. Shift in editorial focus. As time went on, CNN's editorial approach began to shift, raising questions about its commitment to unbiased reporting. The rise of opinion-based content and the blending of news and entertainment introduced a new dynamic. Anchors and commentators expressing their views became commonplace, blurring the line between objective reporting and personal perspectives. This change in direction led to concerns about sensationalism and a lack of diversity in viewpoints presented. While some praised CNN for embracing a more engaging format, others criticized it for compromising its journalistic integrity. Accusations of bias. CNN's evolution in editorial focus was accompanied by accusations of political bias. Critics from various ends of the political spectrum alleged that the network leaned towards certain ideologies in its coverage. Instances of seemingly biased reporting, framing, and even omission of certain stories fueled these claims. It's important to note that these accusations were not limited to just one side of the political divide, indicating a broader challenge to maintain a neutral stance in a polarized media landscape. The perception of bias raised questions about the network's commitment to presenting information objectively and further eroded trust among viewers. Impact of the digital age. With the advent of the digital age, CNN faced new challenges that disrupted the traditional media landscape. Online platforms and social media gave rise to a plethora of alternative news sources, some of which gained significant traction among younger audiences. The fast-paced nature of digital news demanded quick turnarounds, often leading to rushed reporting and the spread of unverified information. CNN struggled to adapt to this changing environment, competing for attention in an era where speed sometimes overshadowed accuracy. This marked a turning point in the network's ability to maintain its relevance and authority. Ethical lapses and retractions. No media outlet is immune to errors, but CNN's ethical lapses and retractions began to take a toll on its credibility. High-profile incidents where stories were later debunked or corrected drew attention to the network's editorial processes. While corrections are an essential part of responsible journalism, repeated instances of misinformation and the need to backtrack on stories raised questions about the network's commitment to thorough fact-checking and unbiased reporting. These events had a compounding effect on CNN's reputation, making viewers more skeptical of the information presented. Ratings and viewership decline. As the media landscape continued to evolve, CNN's ratings and viewership began to decline. The proliferation of options in the digital realm meant that audiences were no longer limited to traditional cable news. The network faced competition not just from other news outlets, but also from entertainment platforms and user-generated content. The decline in viewership prompted a re-evaluation of CNN's content strategies and a push to capture the attention of a new generation. However, the challenge of attracting younger viewers proved to be a complex one. Polarizing personalities and entertainment factor. Over time, certain personalities on CNN became more polarizing figures, drawing both strong support and vehement criticism. This shift raised questions about whether the network was prioritizing informative reporting or the creation of compelling, entertaining narratives. The blending of news and entertainment blurred the lines between journalism and opinion, contributing to the perception that sensationalism and dramatic presentation took precedence over objective reporting. This tension further fueled the narrative of CNN's decline from a respected news source to a media outlet more focused on capturing attention. Social media influence and fake news allegations. The influence of social media cannot be understated in the downfall of CNN. While these platforms expanded the network's reach, they also exposed it to a new level of scrutiny. The rise of fake news and misinformation posed a significant challenge, with CNN often becoming a target of accusations from various quarters. Efforts to combat fake news and restore trust included fact-checking initiatives and transparency campaigns. However, navigating the digital landscape's complexities and countering misinformation while maintaining credibility proved to be an ongoing struggle. In wrapping up this exploration into the downfall of CNN, it's clear that the network has experienced a series of challenges that have impacted its reputation and standing in the media landscape. From its rise as a groundbreaking news source to its current controversies and credibility concerns, CNN's journey offers valuable insights into the evolving nature of media and journalism. As consumers of news, it's crucial for us to approach information critically, seek diverse sources, and engage with content that upholds the principles of unbiased reporting and ethical journalism. The story of CNN serves as a reminder that the media's role in shaping public discourse is an ever-evolving responsibility that requires vigilance and accountability. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and remember to stay informed, stay curious, and stay engaged. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.